Good evening, everyone. Quickly settle down yourself.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. Quickly settle down yourself. Put on your earphones, Bluetooth, headphone.
Evening, ma'am.
Good evening. We shall just wait for 2 minutes so that some more students can join us. Quickly settle down yourself. And the topic that we are doing is same that we did in the last class. Square and square roots, okay? We'll focus on squares today. Today we will practice the question. Yesterday, you understood the concept. Today, you will be practicing questions. Yes, Tejas?
And I have ordered the Baba from that book, Baba Bharati publication book, and it is coming exactly after 1 week.
Okay, beta. You can practice after it arrives. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Prisha. Okay, beta.
Good
Quickly settle
evening,
down
ma'am.
yourself. Good evening, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Palak.
Ma'am, I found out that my the book is coming after 3 days now instead of two. I don't know why.
No, I'm not aware about that books, beta. I'm not aware about it. If you have any doubts related with the books, you can just call on the help support number. Yes, Bhargav. Bhargav, want to ask anything? You raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am. I want to ask the book. You said you can talk with the number management.
Okay, you want the help support number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just give me a second, dear. Just give me a second. Okay, here you go. Here you go.
Thank you.
If you have any doubt related with the books or anything, note down this number. You can connect on this number. Okay, you can WhatsApp them. You can call them because I have no idea about the book, dear. Still, I can't see all of you in the class. Ajish is not there, Zoya, Prajwal, and Vivansh, Yasha, Yashashwini. No one is there. Is any festival today? Half of the class is absent.
Ma'am, tomorrow is a festival day. Tomorrow is festival, Musaram, ma'am.
Oh,
Tomorrow is Muharram.
okay. But why are they absent today? I don't know. Okay, let's start, everyone. Let's start. And please turn on your cameras, everyone. Yesterday, we learned. Okay, now no one will turn on their mic. Whoever wants to say anything, just raise your hand first. When I ask you to say, only then you will turn on your mic. Okay? So, yesterday, we learned about the squares, how to find the squares without actual multiplication. So, anyone, any doubts in finding the squares using the short trick? You can raise your hand. Everyone is so intelligent. Everyone understood. Okay. If all of you understood, then today we will do some questions based on square. Okay. Please don't give me the random answers. And here you go. Find the square of 46 using the short trick. Square of 46 using the short trick. And let me see. Okay, Falak, Prisha and Bhargav. Very good, beta. Rest wrong. Okay, let's learn. We will learn there. Ajish, turn off your mic. See, you were asked to calculate 46 ka square, right? 46 ka square. So, three easy steps without multiplication. Without multiplication, three easy steps. 6 ka square and 4 ka square. And in between 2 into 4 into 6. 6 ka square is 36. 4 ka square is 16. And 2 4s are 8. 8 into 6 is what? 48. Right? Now, just add. So, this 36, I will write 6. This 3 shall be carried over. 48 plus 3 is what? 51. I will take 1 and then 5 carried over. So, 16 plus 5 is 21. 2116 would be my answer. 2116 would be my answer. Any doubts? Raise your hand. Any doubts? Anyone? Raise your hand. Okay. If no doubt, then we will do the next question now. Use your brain, okay? Use your brain. And here you go. It's 7.4. Okay, Bhargav, Nandani, Falak, very good, beta. Very good. Yes, Utkarsh.
I accidentally did a misclick.
Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
Utkarsh.
how much time?
Ma'am, I couldn't do it in the time limit.
No issues, beta, but you have to do it fast, okay? Please do it fast. Turn off your mic, Utkarsh.
Okay, ma'am.
See, it's 7.4, right? Turn off your mic, beta, Utkarsh. Melanie, turn off your mic, beta. Want to ask anything? Okay, see. It's 7.4, right? 7.4. Melanie, I could not get any sound from your end. Do exit and rejoin. I could not get any sound from your end. When you remove this point, beta, when this point is removed, this 7.4 becomes 74, and upon me you get 10. Upon me you get 10. Why? Because in the decimals we have learned that when we remove this point, after this point I have one digit. So in my denominator also I will write 1 and then 1 0. I will write 1 0. So it became 74 by 10. Now you have to calculate the square of this. That is 74 by 10. Okay, that is 74 by 10. So 10 into 10 is 100. I know that. Calculate the square of 74 and that too orally. 4 ka square is 16. Write 6. Carry 1. Now 7 into 4 is 28. 28 into 2. 56. 56 plus 1. 57. Carry 5. 7 into 7 is 49. And 49 plus 5 is 54. Now you have 5476 upon 100. When you convert it into point, it will become 54.76. 54.76. Those who
Can
did
you
not get
explain
it.
again?
Yes, beta, sure. Which step you did not get, Vivansh? Which one?
The second step.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, see. I have to calculate 74 ka square, right? So I will not write it. I will do it orally. Like 4 ka square. 4 into 4 is 16 and 1 carry. 1 carry. Now 7 into 4. 7 into 4 is 28. And 28 ka double. That is into 2. 56. 56 plus 1. 57. 5 carry. 7 I will note it here. Now 7 ka square. 7 is left. So 7 ka square is 49. 49 plus 5 is 51. Sorry, 49 plus 5 is 54. So 5476 would be my square of 74. 5476 upon 100. I'll ask those whoever have any doubt, please raise your hand first. Don't turn your mic on without raising your hand. Let me finish this and then I shall take your doubts. 5476 upon 100. Now we have to put point. So 2 zeros. So point I will put before 2 zeros, 2 digits. So here 54.76. Yes, who is it? Yes, Ajish, tell me.
Mama, I didn't understand the second step.
Which step, beta?
Ma'am,
Square of
that you-
74.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, turn on your mic, Ajish. Turn on your mic and turn on your video both.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, yesterday when I taught you how to take the squares, beta, did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Same it is. Calculate the square of 74. 74 ka square is 5476. 74 ka square is 5476. Yesterday,
Okay,
I wrote each and every step. Yesterday, I wrote each and every step like 74 ka square. So 4 ka square, 7 ka square, 2 into 7 into 4. So it became easy for you all. But beta, if you do this way, this is the short trick. But do it in your mind now. If you note it down, if you write each and every step, it would be difficult for you and time taking as well, isn't it? Yes, Melanie. Yes, Melanie. Quickly, beta.
Ma'am, I had done the short trick way.
What short trick? Tell me. Melanie?
Ma'am, I have
Sita?
done the short trick way.
You learned the short trick? Any doubts in short trick?
Ma'am, I have done the short trick way.
Okay, beta, it's good. This process is just to explain you so that you understand that if I in my mind do 4 into 4, 16, 6, carry 1, you will not be able to understand, right? So being a teacher, I have to write this to explain it to you. But you don't have to write it in the
Yes, ma'am.
examination.
You have showed the trick, no, ma'am. The first trick.
Yes, beta. You have to do that
Yeah,
way
ma'am.
only. This one. Yes, Yashashwini.
Explain this question again.
You joined late.
Yes, ma'am.
Calculate the square of 74 yourself then. It's nothing, Yashashwini. Just 7.4 ka square. Okay. So 7.4 ka square, when you remove the decimal, it becomes 74 by 10. Calculate the square of 74 by 10. That's it. Okay, Yashashwini?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, beta. And please don't join the class late, beta. I know you come from school late. I can see you in the school dress. And I can understand that, beta. Okay,
Okay,
one
ma'am.
more question. Okay, here you go. What is the square of 4 by 17? Square of 4 by 17.
It was a misplay.
Page. Okay, beta. Tejas, Falak, Nandini, Utkarsh, and Yashashwini. Very good, beta. And I hope this even doesn't require any calculation, because yesterday in the starting of the class, I asked you to note down the square of 1 to 20, and square of 4 upon 17 will be what? 4 ka square 16. 4 into 4 16, and 17 into 17 is what? 289. Even if you want, you can use a short trick here. If for suppose in examination you forget the square of 17, then the same way 7 ka square 49, carry 4. 1 into 7 is 7, and 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. You will write 8, carry 2. Then 1 is left here. 1 into 1 is 1 plus. Yes. What did I? Oh, sorry. Carry 1 tha na. Why did I write 2? 1 into 1 is 1, and plus 1. That is 289. 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1. That is 289. But at least till 20 you have to learn the squares. Till 20 you have to learn the square. Acha, okay, tell me. This is the 2-digit number. Okay, 2-digit number. What if I asked you to
Ma'am.
calculate? Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain the previous question?
Beta, 17 into 17, you have to learn 17 into 17 is 289, beta. Okay, Ajish, yesterday I asked you to learn till 20. So your calculation would be more quick. Yes, Pala, you raised your hand.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, for sure. Acha, what if I ask you to calculate 104 ka square? 104 ka square. I'm giving you timer, okay? Timer of 1 minute because full 30 seconds. Timer of 1 minute. Answer me in chat box. No one will turn on the mic. Answer in chat box, beta, okay? Answer in chat box. If 3 digit comes, then what? 104 ka square. Okay, Tejas and then Nandini. I think Tejas, check your answer, beta. Your answer is wrong. Okay, Falak. Melanie, beta, you can also check your answer. Vivansh, you can also check your answer. It's wrong. Prisha, Utkarsh, Rajnandini, Palak. Yes, Vivansh, now it's correct. And what about you, Bhargav? You were the first one to answer me the previous one questions. You are not answering now. Yes, Tejas, now it's correct. Ajish, correct. Correct, very good. But tell me something that were you doing like this 104 into 104? Just raise your hand. How many of you did this 104 into 104? Raise your hand. Only one. Acha. Only one. Rest have the short trick. Now 3. Okay. Okay, lower down your hand. Done, everyone. Let me see the name. Lower down your hand. Mein naam hi nahi dekhne diya. Acha, how many of you have not done like this? How many of you have not done like this? 104 into 104. Raise your hand. How many of you have not done this 104 into 104? That means everyone has done like this 104 into 104. कैसे झूठे बच्चे हैं क्लास में मेरे दोनों में हाथ उठा देते हैं हाय भगवान Okay, see beta. This particular trick which I'm teaching you right now will be applicable only when a number is greater than 100 and nearby 100. Okay? Greater than 100 and nearby 100. ठीक है 100 के आसपास but greater होना चाहिए 100 से. Okay? Greater than 100 and nearby 100. So it would be very easy and very simple for you. This 104. It is how much more than 100? 104, it is how much more than 100? You can tell me in the chat box. Yes. Yes, Tejas, 4. Yes, very good. This 104 is 4 more than 100. So you will add 4 in 104. Okay. You will add 4 in 104. So it becomes 108. And last 2 digits will be the square of the last digit. Like last digit is 4. So 4 into 4 is how much? 4 into 4 is 16. Last digit will be 16. Simply answer. Khatam. As easy as within 3 to 4 seconds you can do this. Let me explain once again. Yes, Ajish.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Okay, let me explain once again. See, when you have a number more than 100, right? A number more than 100 and you are asked to calculate the square. You are asked to calculate the square. Then you know what is the formula? Short trick. Last two digit will be the square of the last digit given in the question. So last digit is 4. So square of 4 is how much? Square of 4 is 16. You will write 16 at the end. 16 at the end. Now, this 104 is how much more? How much more? It is 4 more than 104. 4 more. So you will add 104 plus 4. You will get 808. 808, 16 will be your answer. 808, 16 will be your answer. Suppose, one more example.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, how we get the 16, ma'am? 16.
Beta,
It
4
is-
into 4 is 16.
Okay.
Okay. Now suppose you have 102 का whole square. ठीक है? 102 का whole square. You will tell me, ma'am, 102 का whole square. You said last digit should be last digit का square. So 2 का whole square is 4. 2 का whole square is 4. Then what will be right here? You will write 04. You will write 04. Okay? In order to make it 2, you will write 04. Now, this 102 is 2 more than 100. So, 102 plus 2 is how much? 104. Answer. Now, raise your hand if you did not get it. Yes, Ajish.
Ma'am, तो first one का answer 10816 है.
10816 है. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. So can I take a screenshot?
हाँ, beta. You need not ask this. You have to take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Raise your hand, anyone, if you do not understand. Yes, Rajnandini.
Ma'am, I did not understand the second one.
Pardon? I couldn't get you. Nandini, can you please speak again?
Ma'am, I did not get the second one.
Second one. Okay, see. And what about you, Mognish? What's your doubt, Mognish?
Ma'am, me?
Ma'am, I cannot understand it.
Both or the second one?
Second.
Second. Okay. Prisha, what about you, dear?
Ma'am, I not understand second question, ma'am.
Okay, see. 102, right? Okay. See. You are asked to calculate the square of 102. Square of 102 means what? 102 into 102. If you multiply, it will take lot of time. It will take lot of time. So, what you have to do is take out the square of the last digit. Take out the square of the last digit. The last digit is what? The last digit is 2. So, my square will be 4. But at the end, I need 2 digits. At the end, I need 2 digits. But 2 into 2 is only 4 single digit. In order to make it 2, you will write 0 here. In order to make it 2, you will write 0 here. Is this step clear? Mognish, Prisha, and Nandini. Okay, Mognish gave me thumbs up. Nandini, clear this step? Prisha, clear?
Ma'am, next.
Now this 102 is how much greater than 2. So 102 is 2 greater than 100. 102 100 से कितना बड़ा है? 2 बड़ा है, 2 ज्यादा है. So you will add 2 in this. So it became 102 plus 2 is 104. This will be my answer. Now did you get it, Nandini, Mognesh, Prisha? Yes? Okay. Please take the screenshot. I shall move ahead.
Then
Done? Calculate the square of 109. Here you go. And if your doubts are resolved, beta, you can lower down your hand. If your doubts are resolved, you can lower down your hand. Okay, Palak, Nandini, Tejas, Bhargav, Utkarsh, and Ajit. Very good, beta. Correct answers. C. It's easy, dear. Just give me a second. C. 109, right? So, square of 9 you will do. Square of 9 is how much? 81. Last 2 digits, done. Now this 109 is how much more than 100? So 109 is 9 more than 100. 109 plus 9 is how much? 118. 11881 is your answer. That is option B. 11881 is your answer. That is option B. Any doubts, anyone? Tell me. Yes, Mognesh? Yes, beta, you raised your hand.
Ma'am, I forgot and raised it.
Yes, Prisha, why are you raising your hand there?
Ma'am, I not understand.
What did you not understand, Prisha? Turn on your video, Prisha.
Okay. In this step, ma'am.
The steps are same, Prisha, nothing different. 9 ka square 81 and then 109 plus 9 is 118. So 118 you will write in the starting and 81 at the end. 11881 is your answer, Prisha.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, what will be the answer for 112 ka square? If 112 ka square is given, what will be the answer? You can answer me in the chat box. I want to see. You can answer me in the chat box. If 112 is given, then what will be the answer? It's 1244. Ajish, check your answer, beta. Vivansh, your answer is correct. Tejas, your answer is correct. Falak is correct. Prisha is correct. Okay, see how we will do it. What I told you that you have to take out when it was like any number like this, like 106, 104, 103, 109. So I told you that take the square of last digit because the middle digit was already 0. The middle digit is already 0. But here in this particular question, it's 112, right? And here the middle digit is not 0, it's 1. So the process would be same, only with a slight difference that now you have to take the square of last 2 digits. You have to take the square of last 2 digits. Like if it's 112 ka square, so in the last 2 digits, you will calculate 12 ka square. Okay. And before part is same. Like 112 plus 112 is how much more than 100? 12 more than 100. You will answer. Is anyone any doubt till here this step? Anything? No? Okay. See, let me explain once more. If you have any square above 109, okay, like 111, 112, 124, 123. So the first step, calculate the square of last 2 digits. Calculate the square of last 2 digits. So 12 ka square. And then first step is the same. First part, that 112 plus it is 12 more than 100. So 112 plus 12 you will take out. Now see, if I use 12 ka square, if I say 12 ka square, so 12 ka square is what? 144. 144. 12 into 12 is 144. And 112 plus 12 is 124. Right? But what I told you that you have to write the square digit. You have to write the square digit only in the last 2 places. But this square, it has 3 digits. What to do now?
Ma'am, so 1 will be carried.
Yes, Utkarsh, very good. So I will write 4 and 4 in the last 2 digits, and this 1, it shall be carried forwarded. Okay? So 124 plus 1 is 125. My answer would be 12544. Any doubts, raise your hand. Just raise your hand if you have any doubts. I shall explain this again. If anyone did not get it better, you can raise your hand. Everyone is intelligent. Okay. If everyone is intelligent, then tell me the answer for this.
Ma'am, can you give us poll?
Here you go. Answer for this one, 117 ka square. 117 ka square. Same process. Palak, Yashashwini, Tejas and Utkarsh correct. Rest wrong. Why? Melanie, Mognish, Ajish did not answer. And rest everyone wrong. Melanie also wrong.
Ma'am, it is my
Nandani, Prisha, Vivansh, Bhargav also wrong.
Ma'am.
Yes. Misclick. अच्छा, misclick. एक ना बहाना मिल गया आप लोगों को. Ma'am, it was a misclick. चलिए, let's see how to do it. Let's understand this question once again. Like 117 का square you are being asked to calculate, right? So, first you will calculate the square of 17, the last two digits, and this 117, you will add 17 in this because 117 is 100, 17 more than 100. 17 का square is 289. 17 का square is 289. 17 into 17. And 117 plus 117 will be how much? 17 plus 17 is 34, na? So 134. It will become 134. Now, because this is 3 digits, I shall just write 2 digits and this 1 digit will be carried over. So 134 plus 2 is how much? 136. That is option A. Yes?
and show the previous one, ma'am. I can take the screenshot.
Did you understand this one first? Tell me. Did you understand this? Everyone? Any doubts, anyone? Okay. If no, take the screenshot of this and then I shall show you the previous slide.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Take the screenshot of this. Prisha, turn off your mic, beta. Video should be on, mic should be off. But everyone, video is off. Yashashwini, Utkarsh, Tejas, Bhargav, Melanie, Mognish, Vivansh, everyone.
No, ma'am, my video is on.
No, now it's had turned on. It was off. Okay, beta. If done, I have one more question for you. What will be the square of 408? What will be the square of 408? Tell me. Who will answer me? 408. In the chat box. Let me see. Yes, Ajish.
Ma'am, can you explain us?
But after I get the answer, Ajish. Yes, Tejas.
Ma'am, my camera is off because if I on it, then my class won't work properly because the network is slow.
Okay, Tejas. And what happened, Prisha?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer? That my chat box is not opening, ma'am. In now, ma'am.
Your chat box is locked.
Yes, ma'am. Lock.
Okay, no issues, Prisha. Answer me if I ask you. Otherwise, you can just feel yourself that if your answer is correct or not. And Tejas, your answer is wrong, beta. Your answer is wrong. Yashashwani is correct. And everyone else is correct. No. Raj Nandini, your answer is wrong. Vivansh is correct. Rest everyone correct, but okay, see. Let's see. You know how to do this? See. Whenever you have any question like 300, 400, 500, 600, okay. But in the middle, it is 0. In the middle, it is 0. Okay, like 305, 408, 609. When you have 0 in middle, only then this trick will follow. And what's the trick? Very simple. First, you will calculate 8 ka square. Okay. You will that the same thing. 3 easy steps that I taught you. 3 easy steps. 4 ka square and between 2 into 4 into 8. But this trick will be followed only when the middle digit is 0. Okay, when the middle digit is 0. So, this is 8 ka square 64, 4 ka square 16, and 4 2s are 8, and 8 into 8 is 64, right? 4 2s are 8, and 8 into 8 is 64. So, the number which is given on your screen is your answer, 166464. This is your answer. 166464 is your answer. Any doubts? Do raise your hand. No one? Okay, Ajish, what happened?
मैम हमने जो प्रीवियस में हमने लास्ट में ऐड किया था ना, जो 2 डिजिट है तो ऐड करना है ना.
Beta, that was the trick I told you, which is the number more than 100 and nearby 100, right? This is something beyond 100. Like, and I told you, like 205, 206, 408, 609. Number more than 200 and in between it should have 0. It should have 0. Only then this trick will follow. Only then this trick will follow. Okay? If everyone got it, I have one question for you. What is the square of 504? And here you go. Square of 504. Okay, Nandini, Palak, Bhargav, very good. The first 3 to answer me. Tejas, Yashashwini, Ajish also gave me the correct answer. Rest wrong. Mognish, beta, what happened? You are not answering. Mognish, did you not get it?
Ma'am, no. There is no time for calculating.
You have to increase your speed, beta. Okay, it will happen. Okay,
I just gave a random answer because I didn't have the time to do the calculation.
But do fast, beta, because Utkarsh, turn off your mic, dear. You have to do it fast. You have to calculate fast because 30 seconds are more than enough for this question. 30 seconds more than enough for this question. Like 504, right? See, this is 504, right, Mognish? So how you will do it? Very easy. 4 ka square, 4 into 4. In your mind, you have to calculate. In your mind, you have to calculate 4 into 4, 60, right? Then 5 25. And for that, beta, you have to learn the tables. Your tables should be strong. Only then you will be able to calculate fast. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. And 20 into 2 is 40. So 254016 will be your answer. That is option A. Got it, Magnesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
Okay, if everyone got it, I have one more question for you. But
Ma'am, I
not
didn't get it.
who is it? Ajish. Turn on your mic, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Which step you did not get it?
Ma'am, the short trick one.
4 ka square is how much, Ajish?
Ma'am, 16.
16. Okay. 5 ka square is how much, Ajish?
25.
25. Okay. Then in between multiply the given number, that is 5 into 4. So 5 into 4 is 20
20.
and double that number. So 5 into 4 is 20 and 20 into 2 is 40. Right in between 254016 will be your answer. Got it, Ajish? Okay, if yes, I have one question for you. Okay, I have a question for you. 5-1. Find square of 5 whole 1 by 16. And here you go. Answer this one for me. You have to find the square of 5 whole 1 by 16. 5 whole 1 by 16. Let me see who is giving me the correct answer. Nandini, Tejas, and Palak. Only 3.
Ma'am, I don't know this.
Okay. Okay, let's learn. Yes, Utkarsh, what happened? You have raised your hand.
Ma'am,
Next class.
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I will learn in my school next this only. I didn't learn it still.
I could not get it, Magnesh. Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't learn this still.
You didn't learn it still. Oh, you don't know how to convert this mixed into improper fraction, right?
Yeah.
Okay. For that, for this particular question, Magnesh, I shall explain you this, but I would really appreciate if you watch the recordings of the class. It's available. We have already done the fraction one. We will revise that chapter in the upcoming days, but just for your convenience, do watch the recordings once on the Shiromani app. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Classes of fraction. Okay. See everyone. So, how we will do it? The very first step is you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Denominator will remain the same. If it is 16, it is 16. Denominator is always the same. Now, for the numerator, you have to multiply the denominator by the number in the side. That is
Ma'am, my answer is 81.
okay, Utkarsh, you can tell me that in the chat box. Please don't turn on your mic in between, or else I will turn it off from here. Okay, please don't turn on your mic in between. 16 into 5. Mognesh, turn off your mic, beta. 16 into 5. Okay, and then 1 shall be added. 16 into 5, and then the numerator shall be added. So 5 into 16 is 80, and 80 plus 1 will be 81. Upon me, I have 16. It is very easy. 16 into 5 you have to do. So 16 into 5 is 80, and plus the numerator, that is 1. So 80 plus 1 is 81. Now find
Option
the
A.
square of 81 upon 16. Option A is wrong. You have to find the square. This is just the improper fraction of 5 whole 1 by 16. Now you have to find the square. So 81 into 81. 81 ka square. Find it using the short trick. You will get 6561. And 16 into 16, 256. So option C is your answer. Option C is your answer. If you have any doubts, do let me know.
Ma'am, we don't have to even do the 16 into 16.
No, beta, 60. One by one. After turning on your mic, you raise your hand and then you tell me, ma'am, I will end the class. I will not clear doubts of any one of you. Turn off your mic, Prisha. Yes. Utkarsh, your answer to your question is yes. 81 into 81 is 6561 and 16 into 16 is 256. Whenever square of fraction is being asked to you, you have to calculate the square of both the parts, the numerator also and the denominator also. Yes, Prisha, now you can go ahead. What's your doubt?
Ma'am, in how in last step how we get that 250?
How you will get 6561?
Yes.
Multiply 81 into 81, you will get 6561. Okay? Yes, Vivansh, I think you were also asking some doubts. Vivansh? Okay. Anyone? Anything else you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. If no, then that's it for today. We shall continue in the next class now. Thank you for joining me, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.